I'm not sure what kind of tree this is, but it sure is beautiful this time of year. Early July, it's got these pink flowers on it. I'll go home and look it up, and if I can figure it out, I'll share it with you. I took a photo close up of what those flowers look like, so we'll see what it is, and I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. I saw this Regal horned lizard. He was trying to get away from me while I was coming down the driveway. I could see him skittering along, but the wall that's next to him there, right there, is too high. So he stopped, and he is trying to blend in. Anyway, that's the Regal horned lizard. There he is. So guys, I was just getting ready to leave for my walk this morning, and there's a young dove laying right here in the breezeway between the buildings. There just went a roadrunner. That may not be good for this young dove. There is a nest just above where this dove is sitting. I don't know if I should try to put it back or not. And I don't really want to stress it out, so I don't want to approach it. So anyway, for right now I'm going to go on my walk. I'll be back in about 40 minutes, and I'll think about it, and if it's still down here, I'll decide what to do then. Anyway, hope this little baby dove does it well. I just told you about the baby dove that was sitting here in the middle. Well, just as I turned to leave, it flew up here on the roof. So apparently it's okay. I don't know why it was sitting there on the ground, but just wanted to let you know it was a good story, and I'm glad it's okay. Looks like two pair, if you include the ones on the bottom down here. There's the little chick. We're having our electrical box changed today, so I can't do anything else. So I'm looking outside, and this is what you see. Here's the ones up above again. I think this mama is trying to show the chick how to forage for food. Maybe it's just laying there. She dug a hole. Maybe it's just laying there to stay cool in the shade. Look at all the little rabbits out of my driveway. There was 4. There they go. I was getting ready to, there they go on my walk, and there they were. Look who just showed up with a lizard in the backyard. So I'm not sure what he's doing, but he's got his lunch. Look at all the doves roosting on the ocotillo. There's a few more in this one. And then right down on the driveway. Look who's over there.